Hello everyone. In this video you will learn how to sort data in MS Excel. Before starting today's class, let's understand what is sorting. Sorting means arranging the given data according to a particular field, either in ascending means increasing or descending means decreasing order in a worksheet. Once the data is organized, it becomes very easy to work with. Now let's see the steps of sorting data in MS Excel. For sorting data, you have to open MS Excel and create one table. If you don't know how to open MS Excel and create a table, please click on above link or see description area below this video, right side bottom corner. You can see small triangle, just click there and you can open description area. Now focus on the screen here. I already created one table. In this table I want to see name wise all the records in descending order. Now set your cursor on any cell in name column. Now click on data tab. Here you can see sort button is available. Just click the sort button. Now select sort by option. In sort by option select name column. Now sort on. In sort on select a value that already selected. Now in order select A to Z or Z to A. Z to A means descending order. I want to see name wise descending order means Z to A, so select Z to A and then click OK. Now please observe this table properly. I set name wise descending order, so as per ABCD the K is the last one, so it's come first row and Amit set on a last row. Now there is one query, only name is fluctuated or its correspondence record also shift as per their name. So for understanding this query, I just highlighted Amit's full record in yellow color. You can see on a screen. Now once again I go in a data tab and click on sort button. Now once again sort by select a name and sort on values, and then in order tab click A to Z. Okay, now see the link of all the records. I just click here now. Okay, so you can see now my full table is display in ascending order name wise, but you can see Amit's full record shifted with Amit's name. That means the record is shifted as per ascending or descending order with their particular data. So it's a simple method of sorting data. Now let's see the another type of data I already created on sheet 2. Here you can see 3 columns: roll number, name and joining date. Now here we can understand how to sort data as per date. So for this type of sorting you have to create this type of table first, then set your cursor on any cell of joining date column. Before I start this data sorting, please observe this table properly. Please observe all the dates properly. Okay, now once again click on data tab and select sort button. Now here select sort by. In sort by you have to select joining date, then sort on select a value, and order. In order button you have to select as per your requirement, oldest to newest or newest to oldest. Means old date come first and new date come last, means it's called a oldest to newest. So I want to see oldest to newest, to select this and then click OK. So here you can see 2000, year 2000 record come first, then 2001, 2002, 2003. Now you can see there are 2 records of 2003. First record is month of March and another one is month of June, so it's automatically sorted as per their date. Now you can see other dates also. Here you can see 2015 month of June come first and month of August come last, so it's called a sorting date wise. Now let's see how to sort our data color wise. Yes, color wise. See, I already created one table in sheet 3 and I gave a background color of different rows. You can observe here properly. Now set your cursor anywhere, any column of the table, and then click on data tab and click on sort option. Now sort by. In sort by you have to select any column, means my cursor set on computer, so select the computer, then sort on, select sort on cell color. Okay, cell color. Then one more option activated here, order. Now in order you have to select your order. I want to select blue color, so what we have to do, blue color on top, so select on top, or a blue color on bottom. I want to see all the blue colors on the top of the table, so select on the top and then click OK. So see the output, all the blue colors record come on the top of the table. Okay, so in this way we can set or sort our data color wise. Now let's see multiple level sorting. Sometimes it's our requirement to sort our data in two different conditions. So let's see how to do this. So once again I create one table in sheet 4. Now here my condition is I want to see maths record smallest to largest, means smallest marks come first and largest marks come last, and English record largest to smallest, means largest number come first and smallest number come last. So set your mouse pointer or a cell on maths column, then once again click on data tab, sort button. In sort button select a sort by, select a maths. Now sort on value, then select order. In order you have to select smallest to largest. Okay, then for activate next condition you have to click on add level button. In add level button, then by option activated, select here another subject English. Okay, select values same as, and here my another condition is largest to smallest. Okay, so it's a largest to smallest, and then click OK. Now see the table, observe the table properly. Here maths marks come smallest to largest number. Okay, and what about the English marks? Now English marks, see here Danish and Chintan's record. Danish and Chintan both have a 60-65 marks in maths, but Danish got 71 marks in English, so it's come first, and Chintan's record of English marks 62 come next. Same here, Amit, Divya and Gaurav, Jasmine's records, they all achieve a 70 marks, but in English Amit's got 75 marks, so largest to smallest, and in maths they display smallest to largest. So there are a different method of sorting data. So please see this video 2-3 times if you have a still doubt, and please share this video with your friends. Thank you. Please give like to my video and subscribe to my channel for regular updates, and don't forget to press bell icon. Thank you and have a nice day.